This is the best hotel complimentary breakfast I've ever seen. Alright, just ran and got a couple bangs for the next 2 days. Gonna get a workout in. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Seattle. Gotta go get some food, but first I wanna go see the Space Needle. Space Needle. Now food. I'm a weak man on a budget. 20-piece McNugget with 2 medium fries. It was like 13 bucks. Bag acquired. The needle's back there somewhere. Mission accomplished. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go edit, play some Switch, and kind of chill. Got a big hike tomorrow. All of Olympic National Park I had to bus. Bag acquired. You know, a lot of people say your body's a temple. You shouldn't have fast food because it's bad for you, or you shouldn't have sweets and candy and all that stuff. It's bad for you, right? And you know what I say to that? I say your body's more like a house, okay? And you have holidays. You decorate your house for the holidays. That's what having fast food is. You decorate your house every now and then. You get fast food every now and then, or some sweet treats and stuff. You don't do it all the time, because that's tacky. If your house is decorated for Christmas year-round, that's tacky. But you decorate every now and then for some holidays, you have a little bit of a better time, your life is better. The more you know. Just finished editing my first vlog. Ended up being 30 minutes, way too long. I'll work on that. But gonna try to sneak in a haircut for the end of the day here. Alright, that lady did an amazing job on my hair. I am so grateful for her. She stayed late just to help finish out my haircut, and she did a great job, honestly. So love it. Because Great Clips is so much cheaper than where I normally go, and because she stayed late for me, the difference between what I normally pay and what they charged, I just added on top of what I normally tip. So I ended up tipping her like $40, even though it was just like a $20 haircut. And it was just amazing seeing her face light up. So it just felt so good. And she was like just the sweetest lady ever. She was like talking about how she's been doing haircuts for over 20 years now, and is just doing an amazing job over here at this Great Clips in middle downtown Seattle. So just love sharing love for people who are doing an amazing job at such a humble and amazing, important profession. So just a reminder to give back to the people who give back to you, especially when you don't deserve it. I showed up way too late to get a haircut. With that being said, I need to pack up this hotel room because I have to be out of here by about 7:30 tomorrow morning to be able to get down to the meetup point for the hike of Olympic National Park tomorrow, and then we'll be just on the road. About all packed up, gonna stretch, then head down, eat some breakfast, leave my bags up with the front people, and then start walking to the meeting point.
Jazz Club. Really flying the music. Okay.
Bruh.
And it's so packed
so pretty.
How are you? Oh yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, man. Did you went to the screening of Pull My Daisy? Did you enjoy it? Yeah. Yeah, I love. Yeah, that movie is great. That's the second time I saw it. David Ammon talking about it. Okay.
Hook 'em.
All right, yeah. Thank you. All right, super. Let me sneak through.
From the mountains to a rainforest. Now a giant waterfall. Here you go. All right, phone died, so it's the next day, but we're embarking on our cruise today, so I'm gonna end off the vlog from yesterday. That was a breathtaking experience. Loved every bit of it, but want to go back and visit the full park. But that's all we have time for. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.